Oh my god, this is tiny. Oh my god, whose waist fits in that? Literally whose waist? This is the same size as my head. Like, this is a skirt for my head. Great, a leopard beard. I love that. Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I know last week the weekly vlog game was like fire. Last week was a great week for vlogging, but things happen, periods come, it happens. Basically, I started vlogging on Thursday of last week, and then I just got hit with the biggest PMS/face breakout ever, and yeah, I did nothing all weekend, literally all weekend. So now we're here. So I figured that I would just take you guys throughout a normal day of like a random weekday, so you can see what I do, some of the random filming stuff, some behind the scenes, and I figured I'd also answer some questions along the way. So I'll make this like a cute little Q&A. Follow me around for the day. So just got back from therapy and I'm about to hop on a call with like my YouTube partner manager in a minute, and then I'm gonna finish getting ready for the day, and then Matt is coming over and we are filming this Sunday's DIY video, and yeah, that's basically it so far. This is like the worst part about taking meetings from home. You never know if it's like a video call or like a phone call, and obviously I look like straight poop right now, so I am just on a video call looking like straight poop, but it's fine. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. God, I desperately need to do something with this hair as soon as we are done getting ready. Okay, so I asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, just so I can answer them while I'm getting ready. You guys know that I don't wear a lot of makeup on a day-to-day basis. I kind of just wear like a foundation, concealer, powder base. It's like face stuff, and then I just don't really wear eye stuff. But I don't know. The lashes be looking a little ratchet today, so maybe we'll wear a little eyeliner. Let's just hop right into questions. The first one is, any tips on dealing with anxiety? So you guys know I've been pretty open with my anxiety journey for most of my life, and I think the biggest tip is just finding what works for you. So for me, I consulted with my family doctor and my family and stuff to figure out kind of what the best combination of, I guess, treatment. I've been to a bunch of different therapists, but the therapist I'm going to right now is truly, honestly, the best experience I've ever had with therapy. I honestly believe that every time you go to therapy, you come out a better and stronger person. I don't think you can go wrong with therapy. I really, 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 truly believe in it. I think it's so healthy. And this is gonna sound like a little morbid, but like, even if you don't think that you have problems, I guarantee a therapist will find something hidden, underlying. I don't know. You just come out a better person always. And I am such a big fan of therapy. So, I mean, we're kind of working through some stuff in my past, you know, stuff that I worry about and get anxious about that's like more future related. But I don't know, I love therapy. So find the combination that works best for you. Talk to your doctor, talk to your family. I have felt the best that I've ever felt in the past year, I would say, with anxiety. I obviously have bad days still, as everyone does. It's not something that's gonna be cured overnight. It's kind of like an ongoing thing that'll probably always be a part of my life, but I'm feeling strong, I'm feeling good, and I love therapy. So if it's covered in your parents' insurance or your insurance, go to therapy. It's great. I really do love it. Any fun news coming up, i.e. merch or a trip? So I definitely have a few things to talk about. There's some stuff still under wraps that I know you guys are gonna be excited about regarding meet and greets that are coming up this summer and fall, I think. But aside from that, I'm gonna be at VidCon next month, and we have a whole freaking merch booth, so you can buy laurDIY merch. So there's gonna be like a whole store basically, and it's pink and holographic and so freaking cute. I actually just got the little digital rendering of what it's gonna look like and what we're kind of planning for it, and oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. So let me know if you're gonna be at VidCon, because I will be there at the booth from time to time to like sign stuff, take pics. It's gonna be so much fun. It's my first time doing something like this at VidCon, so there's that. And then I'm 99.9% sure that I am going to be at VidCon Australia. And then I think on the way back, we're gonna stop in Fiji for a vacation, because it's like kind of on the way back to LA. I mean, it definitely is on the way back, but we're gonna take a little pit stop in Fiji, I think, for 5 days. I haven't been on like a crazy tropical vacation in a while, and also haven't done a vacation that hasn't been, you know, pretty work related in a while, so I'm super excited for that. So yeah, I think it's gonna be really good, and a nice little wind down also coming down from VidCon. Next question is, what's the best boy advice you can give? I think the number one thing that took me forever to really like accept, I guess is the word, is that if someone wants to be with you, they'll figure it out. I know that sounds really simple, but that's kind of just the truth of relationships, that if someone wants to be with you, they'll find a way 99.9% of times. I think the majority of the questions I received are very much relationship related, so I'm gonna try and read through some of them and kind of condense it into one answer, because it's a lot of the same questions, or a lot of the same, I guess, this is a look for sure. Oh wait, okay, I forgot I screenshotted this one. Are you continuing DIY master? Yes, that's literally what I'm filming tomorrow, and this is gonna be the best one yet. You guys are gonna die. Like, I was able to order some really questionable things on Amazon for next day delivery that people should definitely not have access to just through an Amazon account. So that's happening tomorrow. I'm not gonna give you guys any more hints. It won't be for this Sunday, but it'll be the Sunday afterwards. But yeah, get ready. Let's just try and rapid fire these. When can we meet your boyfriend? Go follow me on Instagram. I post a lot about us on Instagram and stories and stuff, so if you want to know more about us and him and stuff, it's pretty much an everyday thing on Instagram. How is your relationship going? Just curious. The relationship is going really, really, really well. I'm like, oh god, is Jeremy watching this right now? Oh wait, actually, let's, segue to the next question. Are you and your boyfriend serious? Just curious, and I love that you keep it personal. And then what's your favorite part of your new relationship? So I'll just kind of bundle those into a 3-for-1 answer. It's going really, really well. Like, it's probably the easiest relationship that I've ever been in the sense that I feel like we've both been through so much in past relationships and just like how we've been raised and like how we grew up. It kind of just feels like, this is gonna sound so cheesy, but it kind of just feels like we've been preparing for the right person to kind of match with each other's lives. I don't know. Was that like the cheesiest thing I've ever said in my entire life? I don't know. It might be. I just feel like we've come out of past relationships learning so much and kind of preparing to be the best version and best boyfriend or girlfriend, and I don't know, it's going really, really well. Stop, guys, you're making me blush. I don't know, guys, I've talked about this so many times. I feel like I'm just repeating myself at this point, but he treats me so well. I'm so happy. I think I'm more in love than I ever been. So cheesy. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then we gonna fix this situation up here, and then Matt is headed over in a little bit. I just feel weird now that I answered all those relationship questions. Okay, moving on with the day. Behind the scenes of the DIY room. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this corner of it or like this direction. You guys see this direction every single time. That's the whole DIY closet. Let me know if you guys want like a DIY room tour. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing some clothing related DIYs today, and one of them is gonna be with the new Create More merch. This is the back of the shirt. I'm doing a terrible job of displaying this to look appealing. And then there are the one hand scissors. If you guys haven't already seen this, it'll be available at shop.laurDIY.com. Make sure to get it before it's gone. Anyways, we're gonna be DIYing this. We're gonna be cutting it up a little bit and making it cute. This is as good as the hair is gonna get, I think, today. I used a whole bottle of dry shampoo. Like, for real, a whole bottle. Just a sprout. This is my look, I guess, the sprout. laurDIY sprout. Matt's here! Hello. Alright guys, I'm gonna set you up and just do a little time lapse of what it looks like when we're filming. No audio because you gotta wait until Sunday to see the DIYs, but I'm super excited. Also, I guess I'm not.
They're about to see this?
Well, I'm gonna do a little behind the scenes.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do a little behind the scenes, So I'll leave you guys right here. Let me fix the sprout. All right. Okay, that's a behind the scenes. Excited for the video on Sunday. Oh my god. I feel like it's gonna look so stupid from the no audio standpoint.
Yeah,
so
you'll get the audio.
Yeah, you'll get the audio on Sunday. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, so Matt just left. We finished filming and I just got a package with a bunch of clothes, and since this is just a vlog about genuinely what I'm doing, normally I would do like a little haul for myself. Like, when you order things and kind of forget what you ordered? That's currently opening doors with elbows, yes! What's happening now, so I figured that we could do like a little mini haul together. This has turned out to be a not so bad kind of vlog. Okay, we're settled in. Also, I have my Kermie shirt on from the Elle Mills outfit that I did for Recreating YouTuber Instagrams. If you haven't seen that, that was last Sunday's video. But yeah, love this shirt. Thanks, Elle. Great recommendation. Okay, so this is all from Princess Polly, and to be honest, I got this like random gift card and I totally forgot about it. It's one of those like credit card gift cards. I was like, I'm gonna do some guilt-free shopping. So this like wasn't gifted. I just wanted some Princess Polly stuff. I feel like all my friends shop there and they have so much cute stuff. So I will show you what I got. This isn't gonna be a try-on haul because that's not normally what I do when I get things. I kind of just like put them on my closet and then try things on as I go to wear them, which is probably not the best method now that I think about it. Anyways, the first thing I got is this cute little yellow set. This is the top. I'm a little nervous because this has like no stretch to it whatsoever. So it's like, I don't know. I'm so bloated on this period, guys. Like, not even TMI, whatever. You guys get periods too. So bloated. I feel so rotund. And then this is the skirt. Ooh, this is really cute. Even if the top doesn't fit, I feel like this will be really, really cute. Love a stretchy waistband. I feel like that was the mood when I was ordering all of these clothes because I also got this really cute / really wrinkly blue skirt. Love an elastic waistband. And then just going with that theme, look how cute this one is. So cute. Are these little hearts? They're little hearts. It's not even polka dots, it's little hearts. That's cute. Yeah, there was an obvious theme happening here when I was online shopping. And then I got this really cute leopard. Oh my god, this is tiny. Oh my god, whose waist fits in that? Literally whose waist? This is the same size as my head. Like, this is a skirt for my head. Great, a leopard beard. I love that. We were having a skirt day. Okay, ooh, this is cute. This looks like kind of large, but maybe belted could be cute. This is what it looks like. Oh, this smells like obviously shop leather and not real leather, but this smells very odd. This is what it looks like. No stretch. Ah, a little stretch, I guess. But if there's a zippy on the back, I feel like this would be really cute with like a band tee or something. And then I'm pretty sure they sent me 2 of the same shirt. I'm hoping that I didn't accidentally order 2 of the same shirt, so I'll have to double check. This just looks very confusing. We'll try it on over top of Kermie. Did I order 2 sizes? Are these the same size? Oh my god, there's just so much fabric. Yeah, these are the same size. Okay, so it's like this and like this, right? So like cute flowy sleeves, and then oh wait, is this right? No, this doesn't feel right. Hang on, please hold, please hold. No wait, that was right. Maybe this goes in the front. Is this right? This feels like it goes in the back. This definitely goes in the back. Oh my god. Okay, and then these are supposed to cover boobs? Well, that's not enough boob coverage. I know I have small boobs, but that's not enough. I don't know. If you ever see this shirt on Instagram, it means I figured it out. If you don't, it means I returned it because I couldn't figure it out. I'm gonna have to try this on with an actual mirror, not just like a camera screen later on. Well, great. I've got 2 of them. Love that for me. I don't really know what I was thinking when I ordered this because I feel like it's very basic. The model must have sold it to me. Like, she must have looked super cute. It's just like a black plain tie-up top. I mean, like, I'll definitely wear it, but like, this is definitely nothing special. And then I got this cute black, a little bit high-necked tee. It's like a baby tee that says baby girl. I feel like that's super cute. Ooh, this would be cute with like the star skirt, I feel like. And then I got like a little studded belt. So yeah, that's everything for the haul. I'm gonna go see if I can figure out that shirt. Hello, welcome to my dinner time. So I have been cooking so much lately. You guys would be so proud of me. We have come so far from the mac and cheese that I used to make for dinner sometimes. Most of the time. A lot of the time. I've cooked the last 3 nights and lunches and stuff too, and I've been eating a lot of home cooked stuff. So tonight we got Postmates. So Postmates haul for you. This is Jones on 3rd. They are so freaking good. I feel like people only think of them as a lunch place, but they have oh no, just kidding. All good. Oh my god, panic for a moment. A vat of mashed potatoes. This is Jeremy's. And then they have this like rosemary honey-ish chicken that we both love. So there's 2 of them in here. For a moment I thought there was only 1. There was gonna be a major issue. That could have been the end of the relationship. And then because I'm a child, I got buttery pasta. No vegetables tonight. Also, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but there was a caterpillar in my broccoli yesterday. It was so organic that I had a live friend. So Trader Joe's, if you want to come pick up your caterpie, I actually don't have them anymore. I rinsed my vegetables, as one should when they're organic. It still ended up being boiled in my broccoli. So RIP caterpie. It was actually not that nice knowing you. Is it a vlog without a little bit of yes. Oh my goodness, you look so cuddly. Here's one food sound and loses all focus. Okay, Meow. Man, this wide lens, this is the freaking move. Just finished dinner and I totally forgot that before I got hit with some really hardcore PMS, I vlogged a little bit with Josh when we collabed last Thursday. So you guys can check out that footage right now. A little sneakity peekity. And that'll be going up probably sometime this week. So watch out for that. Okay. Roll it.
Hi, gorgeous. Is this a good camera or is it just me?
It's just you, Josh.
Wow, he great-o.
Anyways, Josh is here and we just collabed and did some really cute baby DIY stuff for Josh's baby, not any future babies that I am having because that's just not in my, that's not my future cards. That's not in my 5 to 10 year plan. Josh told me that his baby like pooped and it went all up his back and it took him a whole box of baby wipes to get it off, and that's just, I don't know. Mentally or physically, I don't think I'm ready for that.
Also, do you want to know where it was when it happened?
Oh my god, where?
At a restaurant.
No, you were in the bathroom doing it?
Yeah, I don't know what this is, like some gender BS. There's rarely a changing table.
I just read an article about how guys are getting changing tables in your bathroom.
It's BS, man. We're dads. We want to be apart.
Yeah.
We need the convenience of a nice little table.
Right. No, I love that for you and all the males and the dads of the world.
I feel like you're gonna name your kid something annoying.
No, I'm not that like flower, buttercup, passion fruit, tango. No.
Or even like Finn.
That's a cute name. Finn is cute. If that poop story was not birth control for young parents who are not ready to have children, get a moose. Just get a moose. Just solve all your problems and just get a moose.
Can we show them?
Yeah, what we made?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a spoiler though?
I don't know.
Okay.
I bet they won't even be able to know who did what.
Yeah, no, totally, definitely not. I feel like Max likes blue. Josh said that Max's favorite color was aquamarine. This is not exactly aquamarine, aquamarine, but she's cute. But then like we got a little touch of bling. Oh, you're going rogue. You're going crazy. Oh, we sleeveless. It's summertime and we sleeveless and we feeling confident and cute and sassy.
I'm just doing this in case Max decides randomly to go to Coachella.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
This is just like a fun little cello vibe.
Yeah. Some fringe. Yeah, I love it. This is great. No, yeah, laurDIY approved. Absolutely. If you want to see us make these beautiful little Max onesies, follow me on Twitter and I'll tweet out the link once it goes up and Josh promotes the heck out of his child.
Promise?
Promise.
No more Max on my channel. That's it.
Wow!
He's 6 months old.
He's 5 months old, I thought.
He'll be 6 months next week. And that's it. No more.
No more Max.
He has a face. Sorry guys, you don't get pictures of him anymore.
What the heck? Look, I have a noodle arm. This is the weirdest angle. Oh my gosh. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna end it off here. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around for the day on what like a real day kind of looks like. I mean, every day is super different, but this is what today was. After dinner, Jeremy and I went to his place to grab his toaster and his knife block because his are better than mine. So we went to grab some stuff from his house to bring here. Okay, so I know I talked a little bit about DIY Master coming back. Not this coming Sunday, but the Sunday after. And I want to give you guys a little sneak peek of the package that I ordered that I said that no one should really have access to. So here's a sneak peek of what it looks like. Leave some guesses below if you'd like. That's all I'm going to show you guys. Matt and I are filming that tomorrow and I'm so freaking excited. Again, no regular person should have access to this for 1-day delivery for $50 without some kind of certification or something. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, I guess, daily vlog. It's just like a 1-day vlog. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen last Sunday's video, it was the recreating YouTuber Instagram, so I'll have that link in the down bar below. If you haven't already shopped the new Create More t-shirt, that'll also be linked in the down bar, shop.laurDIY.com, and I will see you guys on Sunday for that DIY that you guys saw the behind the scenes of today, and then again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running.